everyone. Welcome back to our channel Topical Talks. Today we will show you how to make a poll on Discord in mobile. Started, make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. So let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome and search here carl.gg. Then from here, click login with your Discord. Then click on authorize. And select your server. Click on continue and click on authorize. Prove that you are a human. And then go back to your Discord and go to your server where you want to make a poll. And then type this command /poll and click on question and type your question. And then select choice. Give 3 or 4 choices. And that should be with only comma, either slash. And that's it. That's how you can simply make a poll in your Discord in mobile. If you find this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe our channel Topical Talks and I will see you in the next video.